Hey everybody, welcome back to another edition of Skyvan Experience. Today I wanted to share with you the custom phone slash rearview camera slash GPS holder that I made for the Sprinter. Sprinters are kind of hard to attach accessories onto. You've got there's not a whole lot of real estate on the front facing part of the dash to put stuff. I've seen people use the cubbies. I've seen 3D printed inserts that go into here and you can attach stuff. Also, I had shown you before, there's cup holders on the very upper part of the dash, so you can put accessories up there that work pretty good, but they're kind of far away. I wanted something a little bit more close and within immediate reach. So I came up with this. So what we have here, I kind of started looking beyond phone accessories, and I started looking at tripod accessories, and that's where I got a lot of ideas for this. So let me show you the parts piece by piece. So first of all, let's start with the actual holders. These are tripod mounts. These work really good because I love how I don't like spring-loaded ones. I don't like spring-loaded. Spring-loaded, bad. These, good. Very soft rubber that really grips onto the phone, and you can tighten them down or loosen them up. This middle one is for my rear view camera. This is for my for a phone, and this is for a phone as well for GPS. So I really like that. This piece back here is also a tripod piece to mount up, lights and other cameras and things like that. And you can see I've got this extra one here if I ever need to hook something else up to it. So that's a tripod piece. These are tripod. These right here are actually light brackets to go on, obviously, a tube, like on a push bar, something like that. By the way, this is 1.25 inch tubular aluminum. And so these light brackets fit right on the aluminum. Then, these are another kind of bracket. And I can't remember what specifically these were for, but that's what I have holding on to the tubular part on the end here. And then it's got a little tail, and it's hard to see, that goes inside here that bolts on to the bottom. So that's really it. It looks a little cumbersome, but it works really, really well. How did I bend that one? And holds everything very, it's very rigid, so it's not bouncing around a lot. A lot of the mounts that you get that have long arms coming out, they bounce around all the time. So I didn't like that at all. So I've been very happy with this. The only bad thing, and I'll show you a picture when I get it reinstalled, the only bad thing is it does kind of cover up the climate controls a little bit. So I have to lower my head to see underneath to get to the climate controls. But other than that, it works really well and tidies up, again, all the accessories that we tend to carry with us when we're driving in our vans on our cross-country trips. A couple of other parts that I use, but I didn't talk about in the video, were these little rubber washers. These little rubber washers go on the actual tripod screws that help keep the phone holders in place. And it's much better than a metal screw because these provide a lot of vibration resistance and everything. So I use these as well. I also use these plugs for the ends of the aluminum tube. You see they're an 1.25 inch plug, and simply just to make the install look a little bit cleaner and to cut down on the potential of cutting yourself on the sharp edge of that 1.25 inch aluminum tube that I used as the base for the mount. Anyway, I hope this gives you an idea. I just kind of came up with this one day, built it in an afternoon. I didn't film building it because it was a lot of trial and error. Would have been a really rough film to do, but so hopefully the pictures that I added in from Amazon help you out if you'd like to try to recreate this. I didn't put links in the description below because we all know with Amazon, those links could change within a month or a week or 2 months or whatever. Anyway, I hope this helps you out, and have a great day.